Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this laptop. To do this, tap on the Start button, go to Settings, then select Windows Update Settings, and here check Updates and see if you have any updates to install. And if you do, you can either click Install All right here or click Download and Install next to each update that you want to download and install. You can also find additional updates in Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and if you have anything available, you can also download and install them. Once the updates are installed, you probably will have to restart your device for changes to apply. And generally speaking, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.